Welcome to the Bailey Group. We're chartered accountants who specialise in using property capital allowances to help property investors, property developers save tax they didn't know they were entitled to. So many property investors are buying properties, commercial properties, without understanding the new law changes. What it means is if the allowances which are in that property aren't identified at the point of sale, they're lost to you forever. We have some property investors who are quite astonished to realise that they bought, for example, a retail premise they're going to convert, the upstairs, to discover that on £1 million property they could have been saving 30 to 40% of the purchase price in available capital allowances. That could represent £300,000 to £400,000 per £1 million worth of purchase. And if you don't claim them at the point of sale, they're lost forever. This law on capital allowances is not very easily understood. Everyone thinks they've claimed everything because there's two types of capital allowances. There's asset capital allowances. That covers everything you buy to run your business. Computers, stationery, printers, cars, telephones. You get up to 2 years to claim and you can save serious tax on them. But they are not property capital allowances. Let me explain why. Here's a guide to the law on capital allowances. They've been around since 1878. There's over 600 pages here of quite small print. It's complicated and complex. Plant and machinery. That's quite straightforward to most of us, isn't it? Plant and machinery in a factory. But how does it work in an office, in a care home, in a bed and breakfast, in a hotel? In this book here, there's 300 different definitions of what can qualify for capital allowances. These two books are the equivalent of a degree course, and they help explain why 90% of commercial property owners and potential purchasers of commercial property don't understand the law and don't understand how valuable these capital allowances are. The objective of this short video was to give you some idea of what valuable allowances you may be sitting on, that you're at risk of losing. Coupled with that, because we're chartered accountants, we also give property tax law advice on structuring for the future, to save you money now and particularly in the future with all the tax changes that are happening to us. Have a look at our website. You'll see some evidence of our success to date. Last year we saved over £6 million in actual tax savings for our clients. Many were property developers and property investors. Many property developers set up an SPV when they start a new project, a special purpose vehicle. Did you realise that using a limited company now can have some quite serious disadvantages? And if you're bringing investors into your portfolio, did you know how you can use capital allowances to actually save the investors some serious tax against their personal situation? There's a whole raft of things we can do to help you if you're a growing company. We have an hour workshop where we'd like to come along and talk to you and your colleagues about how you can use capital allowances to save you tax now and particularly in the future. As your portfolio grows, if you're buying new commercial property opportunities, you really must know and understand how capital allowances can help you. Give me a ring. I'm Bill Lorriman. I'm the sales director. I'm on 01327 340 408. Just quickly, there's no risk with what we do, there's no upfront fees, and we'll help you save serious tax if your properties that you've bought in the past qualify and the ones you're thinking of buying qualify. Look forward to hearing from you. All the very best. Bye.